To welcome everyone to the ACTH e-seminar today. Mama ඔයගොල්ලන්ව ACTH e-seminar එකට සාදරයෙන් පිළිගන්නවාද? උදෑසන. So, study in Canada. Why do we focus on study in Canada? One reason. ඇයි අපි මේ study in Canada අපි student visa කරන්නේ අනිත් රටවල් කරන්නේ නැත්තේ ඇයි? මෙන්න මේකයි හේතුව. මෙතන තියෙනවා අපි ගාව ICCRC registered migration consultant කෙනෙක්. කැනඩා වල ඉන්නවා. මෙන්න මේ මෙතන පේන පොඩි ICCRC ඒක මම පෙන්නන්න දෙනවා. මොකද්ද මේ ICCRC? What is this ICCRC mean? ICCRC is the registration immigration consultant. Okay. So the public register you can also go and see මම ඒක ක්ලික් කරන්න. ඔයගලන්ටත් මම මේ link එක එවනවා. ඔයගලන් මේව check කරලා බලන්න ඇත්තද බොරුද කියලා. අපිට license එකක් තියෙනවා අපේ agent. So that is the reason why we do. Through the chat I'll send you this link. Okay, so I sent you the link. You can check later. I'm link එක එවුවා. So අපි ගියොත් F Fernando තමයි යන්නේ. පල්ලයට ගියොත් you will see මේකේ හතර විතර ගියොත් FE මෙතන බලන්න Fernando. We go to the fifth one. Meeting Fernando JA. So let's go inside Fernando JA. Api put check kala balamu Fernando JA. Oh, me Fernando JA tamai Mayfield consultant. Menna me team. So this R515887 yage license registration code ICCRC. Make a hand if you are going. Isuru has joined. Let me get Isuru also. So let me just get Isuru also in, and I'll try to mute Tara. There is someone iPhone. Yeah, Isuru. Isuru, have you joined Isuru? Okay, so I'm missing Isuru. Something happened. Okay, so let's continue. So Fernando Johnny. So that's. So anywhere you apply, you apply karna own agent Lanka. Isuru has joined again. Let me get product Isuru Mangana because he wants to go to Canada. Okay, so Isuru, welcome. Good morning. Welcome to the ACTH. We just started the e-seminar. So I'm talking about ICCRC, Canadian Registered Migration Agent, and John A. Fernando. You need to make sure any agent in Sri Lanka. Api taranne own agent kenek menna meka handa. Me R5 me number එක තියෙනවද කියලා ICCRC registered කියලා ඒකේ registration number ඉල්ලලා මෙන්න මේ portal එකෙන් check කරන්න. මම මේ portal එක ආයෙ දාන්නම් because it's just join. නැත්තම් apply කරන්න එපා visa එක reject වෙනවා. අපි ගාව reject වෙලා ඇවිල්ලා තියෙන ගොඩාක් අපි ලංකාවේ famous reject වෙලා ආපු කට්ටිය. ඇයි හැම තැනම ලක්ෂ ගණන් ගෙවලා අපි ගාවට එනවා ඇවිල්ලා කියනවා සර් අපි රිජෙක්ට් වුණා 4 පාරක් 5 පාරක් so අපි ඒ කට්ටියගේ student visa එකට apply කරනවා. Okay, next let's go back to my presentation. Presentation. Let me close this. Okay, so next we have scholarships. A lot of students are asking lamai godak kaano appi me scholarships ගැන. So let's look at scholarships. We have Ascenda School of Management Vancouver and we have Canada West, University of Canada West. They are giving $10,000 admission grant. They can student course fees, we call it course fees. At the admission they give $10,000 first year ඔයගලන්ට grant එකක් දෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ ගෙවන්න ඕනේ නැහැ. තව they assist in comparing the best course for the student. මේගොල්ලෝ උදව් කරනවා අපිත් උදව් කරනවා ඔයගලන්ට. මම පෙන්නන්නම් කොහමද how do we help you මම තාටිකින් පෙන්නන්න. And offer letter. We will help you get the offer letter from these two schools. And we have a, like I said, ICCRC migration consultant, John Lee Fernando, Mayfield migration consultants. They will help you with the visa. But you can directly apply කරන්නත් පුළුවන් ඉස්කෝලේට. මේ ඒගොල්ලෝ visa ඒකට කෙලින්ම දානවා. but ඒකේ ලොකු risk එකක් තියෙනවා. there is a huge risk. ඒ කියන්නේ reject වෙන්න ලොකු chance එකක් තියෙන. ඒක තමයි අපි කියන්නේ ICCRC migration agent කෙනෙක් හොයන්න. අපි we are registered. තව ඉන්නවා ලංකාවේ තව එක්කෙනෙක්. ඒගොල්ලන්ට දාන්න. Australia අපි කරන්නේ නැහැ, but for your information, Australia දානවා නම් please make sure OMARA registered agent. මම ඒකේ link එක දාන්න. නැත්නම් ඔයගොල්ලෝ how වෙනවා. අපරාධي all are paying big 5 lakhs they are taking agent visa එක reject වෙනවා. මම මේකත් එවන chat එකේ. මම මේකත් දෙන්නම් agent හොයන්න කොහොමද? Let me put in the chat. Make Australia. Okay. So if you go to get help with visa, you go to steps to make a first step. Help from registered migration agent. Type of my registered agents. Steps to choose. Steps to choose. Check to choose. Types of registered agents. Search for registered migration agents who work in Australia. Outside Australia. Second, outside Australia. Lanka. Eglanging ahand Australia migration agent Lanka. Ahand MARN number. Business name. Eglang agent name, family name, agent surname, agent given name dala search karan. එතකොට මෙතන නම එන්න ඕන. නම ආවෙ නැත්නම් ඒගොල්ලන් දාන්න එපා reject වෙන්න. හේතු වැඩි reject වෙන්න. So now you know මේ රටවල් දෙක තමයි we help students. Now next. So ACTH API, why are we where do we come in? So මම කතා කරා Mayfield consultant මම ඉස්කෝල ගැන කතා කරා. තව ඉස්කෝල ගොඩාක් තියෙනවා මම පෙන්නන්න. So sorry මේ ACTH අපි යන්න ඉස්සෙල්ලා මේ අපි ගැන තව කැනඩා ගැන තව එකක් තියෙනවා. So ඔක්කොම දේවල් waiting to hear about Canada එකක් ඉවර කරමු. කැනඩා ගැන. So මෙතන Educo accelerated කියලා portal එකක් තියෙනවා. මේක අපිට ළඟදී access දුන්නේ because usually කෙලින්ම කැනඩා වලින් තමයි Mayfield consultant ඒගොල්ලන් review form එකට එවුවම ඒගොල්ලන් process කරනවා ගොඩාක් කල් යනවා. So ළමයි හරි impatient අපේ ළමයි කියනනේ sir තාම නෑ. So what we have done is this. මෙතන අපි ගියසුම් මේ ළඟදී July 14th කොයිද? February 20 මේ intake එක. මේක July 14 මට මතකයි කියලා මම දැම්මේ. අපි දැම්මේ අරුල් සංජීවන් අපි දැම්ම පළවෙනි එක පීටර්ට නෑ මම නිකන් ටෙස්ට් කරන්න දැම්මේ. මේක අරුල්ට මේ අපි දැම්ම application එක. So අරුල්ගේ ඔක්කොම details මේ දාලා තියෙනවා. තවත් මේක incomplete අරුල්ගේ තව documents අපිට අවශ්‍යයි. So this is where we help you. අපි අරුල්ට හොයලා දුන්න මම පෙන්නන්න. පළවෙනියට course එක. ඇයි මේ course එක institute එක course එක. එයාට ගෙවන්න පුළුවන් ගාන ඒ කියන්නේ tuition fees. Then IELTS එයාට බෑ කිව්වා. එයාට English හරිම bad. එයාගේ English එක හරිම worse. So ආටබස් ඇවිල්ලා හරිම අඩුයි. ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ ගණන් උත් අඩුයි. Anit compared to other institutes ඒගොල්ලන්ගේ English උත් මේ දැක්කද IELTS 5. So ඒ වගේ ඉස්කෝලේ අපි හෙව්වා එයාට IELTS බෑ. 5 I'm hoping he can get 5. So 5 නම් ළමයි ගන්නවා අපේ ලංකාවේ ළමයි. අනිත් ඉස්කෝලවල you have to get 6.57 degree එකට. So ඒක ටිකක් අමාරුයි. So මේ ආටබස් එක ටිකක් අඩුයි. මේකත් certificate. මේ certificate level එයාට he had done diploma. Yes. So we were finding either advanced diploma or degree එකක් එයාට. So you can see this is where we find a good institute. So if you search course search කියලා දාලා we go මෙතන countries countries Canada, we will work with you. අපි ඕගලන් එක Zoom එකත් එක්ක සම්බන්ධ වෙලා we will work with you, and we can do undergraduate, masters, undergraduate and bachelors. So මේ ස්කෝල්වල bachelor degree programs තියෙනවා. So if you say IT making එකට we have to go and find a college or a university. For example, Content. If you go down, we can see, about their college. We can see, then we can see courses. I'll show you course search. So let's go to Canada again. So undergraduate. So for example, so let's go within show courses. Make a click karanga. Show courses. Click karama. Within courses. Me avurudata tuition fees. Course fees. Bachelor ekata BBA accounting 15,600 4-year course එක. මේක අසර ගියාම තවත් වැඩි විස්තර දෙනවා. මේක click කරලා if you go in ඒ course එක ගැන ගොඩාක් විස්තර දෙනවා. මෙතන intakes ටික දෙනවා, කවදාද course fees දෙනවා, application fees, 4 years undergraduate, IELTS එකත් මෙතන තියෙයි. මෙතන 6.5 overall. So that's how we help you, and make the best thing make me portal එකත් එක්ක we can track මෙතන. You can track, I can track, අපි ඔක්කොම track කරන්න පුළුවන්. So ඔයගොල්ලෝ apply කරාම මේ process එක submitted application, ඊට පස්සේ application with missing documents එහෙන් කියනවා මේක අඩුපාඩු, ඊට පස්සේ offered applicant offer letter එක. ඒ ඔක්කොම process එක මේකේ we can nicely monitor මේකේ. ඊට පස්සේ අන්තිමට application closed. So මේ process එක we can monitor, and then you can see Mayfield consultant John E. Fernando. He also has access. He will go in. He will help you. Make sure you get your visa. Make a successful. When ICCRC, make a double check karla. Okay, other part you come over kahadala. It passes. They will put it to the online. They will apply for your student visa. So this part also we work with you. We help you, and you also can see අපිට මේකේ zoom එක කනෙක්ට් කරලා පෙන්වන්න පුළුවන්. කොයි step එකේද කොයි stage එකේද. හරිම very transparent. හරිම clear. Okay, next. Then let's go to ACTH. How we can help you and what we do at ACTH. So Austrade, again austrade.gov.au, Austrian Unwin. We are registered Australian College of Training and Hospitality, ACTH. Nigambol Cafe School in our training center. And these are the 3 ways we can help you. If you do our course, our short course, part-time job opportunities locally, Lankavi, part-time cafes or restaurants or bars, and overseas. I make important Canada, Australia, New Zealand, UK, why is it important? Because student visa now Kimgo Isuru is going to do his IT degree in Kimo in Canada. Now Isuru won't get a job, but then can IT job from the he's going to study. So he needs a job. So Isuru has to work in a cafe, in a restaurant, part-time on our certification. Isuru pay certificate of nurse, you can easily get a job. Then Mithana Lanka within a cyber category. Australia, New Zealand, Canada, Europe, and cafes. So jobs here. Even in universities here, university cafe. You can jobs here. So that is where one benefit. Second benefit. My student visa in Australia, New Zealand, Canada, owner student visa in point system. Ape qualification, අපේ certification, trade certification. මේකට points දෙනවා. ඔයගොල්ලන්ගේ student visa එකට towards the student visa. So that is your second benefit. And the third and final benefit, you can get, especially we have in Canada, Ascenda and University of Canada with scholarship opportunities, $10,000 scholarship for students who have done the CTH courses. So these are the three main benefits linked to your student visa. Right, next, we have a website. Chat and you must have a website www.acthstudy.lk. website. Next, online study because of COVID, online study we do, and these are our global partners. Zoom, we use Zoom to train. I'm going to talk about each one of these. McGraw-Hill එක කතා කරන්න යනවා, hospitality මම කතා කරන්න යනවා, TVEC එක මම පෙන්නලා කතා කරනවා, training.gov start කරන්නේ මේකෙන්, training.gov.tv, Google Classroom, Google Drive link කරලා තියෙන්නේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට access. So I'm going to talk about all our global partners right away. Australian quality training standards. මෙන්න මේක තමයි පළවෙනි එක. මේ තියෙන්නේ training.gov.tv. මේ training package එක මම මේක පෙන්නන්නම්. මේකේ තමයි අපේ courses. We are getting the syllabus. So let's go to that one, training.gov.tv. So for example, barista, have you job seen owner of barista? So prepare and serve espresso coffee. Yeah. So Australian government training package. Let's open their training package about barista. Make a Australian government taking me course. And what to teach? Elements, hata. First element, organize coffee workstation. Second, select grind coffee beans. Third, advise customers and take espresso coffee orders. 4, extract and monitor quality of espresso. 5, about milk. 6, serve espresso coffee. The last one, clean espresso equipment. So, minna me hata balmu attarama api koi duganani. How do we teach you? Sumara. We use minna me McGraw-Hill University, USA. McGraw-Hill University, we have signed up with them. Minna me McGraw-Hill University. So we have master barista, food safety training, front office training, professional waiter, professional bartender. Our A courses we have for you on our McGraw-Hill University portal. Right, let's go to the master barista. Make a anti-cell at the meter video courses. Let me show you. Let's go back. Let me go in again. We have more than that. We have a lot more courses. Okay, so we have here hospitality. Workplace skills for professionals. So some of you work in banks, in human resource, in companies. Short courses here because you don't like hospitality. Short courses here. Digital marketing, IT country. Digital marketing courses here. We were short. Regular jobs. Social media influencer. Real jobs here. Next, restaurant supervisory skills, managerial skills. If you have worked in a restaurant for some time, you are in it. Then we have our short courses. Again, what I told you, barista, bar, waiter, bartender, front office, food safety, minimum. So let's go into this. So if you can see now clearly, we teach through the same process. How I teach. So let's go to the master barista. Let's go in. And let's continue into the portal. So McGraw-Hill University is under certificate. I'll show you the certificate. You will see our partners around the world and the certificate. The employees will Google and check all the partners. So you can see the 7 elements. Organized coffee workstation, the first element. Misan Plus. Misan Plus element. බලමු මේක ඇත්තටම මේකේ element 1 එක දැන් Australian you know barista එකේ element 1 organized coffee workstation and me Misan Plus ගන්න the first one. So we are really teaching what the Australian government tells us to teach you. To select and grind coffee beans. So number 2, select and grind coffee beans. So hatak තියෙනවා. අන්තිම එක clean espresso එක. බලමු මේක හත් වෙනි එක. අන්තිම එක clean espresso එක. ඒ ඔක්කොම හරියටම you can see 7 are here and the last one is clean espresso. So we are teaching through the McGraw-Hill University portal. Next, now you need access in the McGraw-Hill company, digital marketing company, workplace skills courses, Google Classroom, Google accessible. We are giving you access to Google Classroom. WhatsApp or email looking. So let's go to the barista. The way to bartender, digital marketing, barista. So barista you will open, you will get Zoom make a class. When is your class with a link? Next, you click Master Barista. And this is what you get access to. You get access to course outline. So lesson 1 to lesson 6 are element happen. So you can see here organized coffee workstation, barista. So Misan Plus what we teach. Next, we give you access to lecture notes. So our portal, we are taking the lecture notes and we are giving you access to the lecture notes. Next, we give you access to resource images because I use a lot of images when I'm teaching. Now, I get images when I'm teaching. So images can online teaching can visual pen. Our additional material videos pen videos videos pen training docs, additional docs. Quality කියන්නේ මේ ඔක්කොම දැනගන්න. ඒ රටවලට ගියාම chemical එකක් හම්බුණා. මේ safety data sheet කියන්නේ Canada, US ඒ රටවල. Australia, New Zealand material safety data sheet. මේක නීතියෙන් කියන ඕගලන් කියවන්න ඕනේ. මොනවද කියවන්නේ? මේවා දැන් ඕගලන් දන්නෙත් නෑ මේවා. chemical එකක් ආවම මේක නැතුව බාර ගන්නත් බෑ. So ගොඩාක් තියෙන ළමයි කියනවා දන්නෙත් නැතිව තමයි ඇත්තටම ඒගලන්ට ලංකාවේ ඉඳලා they don't know a lot of things how it happens in those countries, so we teach you. Next, we have an online test workbook activities. So we do together. Workbook activity, you can download this and you can just tick mouse again tick and then open book. You have a online test revision. I'll show you how it's done a little bit later. So we give you access through Google Classroom and Google Drive. We give you access to your course. Okay, next. So Google Classroom, Google Drive, Zoom, I spoke about Zoom. Now it's the hospitality. Make one certifying body worldwide. So we have registered bulk method of courses registered. So it's for hospitality. So let's go into accreditation, endorsements, endorse training providers covered down, endorse programs covered down. And let's check whether ACTH, meeting ACTH, ගොඩාක් තැන් තියෙනවා. school okay වටේම you will find US club training solutions United Kingdom and India Bangalore අපි Sri Lanka we are the only ones අපි ලංකාවේ දැනට අපි ඉන්නේ hospitality okay. So these are the courses we have registered so up to we have to the 19th to the 22nd next year September then we audited and then valid courses තවඩක් දානවා මේකට you can see and that's myself. So in 10 minutes make a cut to ආය ඔයගලන්ට link එක Zoom link එක click කරලා join වෙන්න පුළුවන්. So and about me පොඩි විස්තර you will see. Okay, so into hospitality UK. Next TVEC එක මම කියනවා. ලංකාවේ authority tertiary vocational education commission. So TVEC කියන්නේ අපේ so making TVEC. What we do is we අලුත් batch එකක් වෙනනම් we enter you into the TVEC portal because ඔයගොල්ලෝ රට යන ඉඳලා ලංකාවේ ආණ්ඩුවේ ඔයගොල්ලන් අපි register කරනවා TVEC එකේ මේ portal එක TVEC එකෙන් අපිට දීලා තියෙන NVQ level 3 අපිට දීලා තියෙන අපේ courses food and beverage courses NVQ level 3 තමයි අපිව දීලා තියෙන්නේ අපි accredit කරලා accreditation දීලා. So ඒ ගොඩක් හොඳ එක. Next the trainer mama as a trainer assessor I have to be qualified. So mage me certificate my license පිටරට ගන්නම හරි ඔස්ට්‍රේලියාව ගන්නම පිටරට courses trainer has to be workplace skills based courses per month I have to be certified. So you can see every 10 years they can විලාස් දානනේ මාත් කියලා මම අප්ඩේට් කරා මම ආයෙ එක්සෑම්ස් කරලා කරා මේක පරණයි 2010 ඔගෝස්තු. So 2020 ඔගෝස්තු is finished. So I have to renew my license. Then mage background එක Hilton රටවල් තුනක I have worked Singapore, Dubai, Australia. I have done my masters in hospitality Washington State University USA scholarship එකක් හම්බුණා Australia ඉඳලා මට masters කරලා තියෙනවා ඔක්කොම ටික කරලා මම online මෙතන තියෙන අවුරුදු 15ක් මම ඕස්ට්‍රේලියා online ගන්න තියෙනවා ළමයි එක batch එකේ 200ක් ඒ වගේ අවුරුදු 15ක් මම දැන් ළමයි ඉන්න ගොඩක් ගන්න තියෙනවා online. So mage online experience it enjoys the e-learning interaction with the students at open colleges finds great satisfaction in ensuring that they receive the best learning experiences. මේක තමයි කරලා තියෙන්නේ මම ගැන internet එක යන තැනම so you can see make Australian ongoing open colleges. So let's just run now. So here you can see the open day. We had sorry, this is our classroom when before COVID, Colombo and Negombo, our classrooms and our staff. Now it's all reduced. We have very few staff, Lakshan and myself, another 2 more or 3 more people. So altogether 5 now. And we have no more classrooms, only for practicals. From next month, we will bring you in for practicals to our training center. Online. So our students are very creative. I'm creative. Bartender, you can see wine tasting, cocktails, pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, pina colada, strawberry daiquiri, and mojito. You make glass frosting. Very students enjoy beer pouring, beer drinking, beer tasting. Enjoy. You go. So we are at the end now. So basic barista training we have. If you don't have any qualification to enter our advanced course, you can do this and you can enter. I'll tell you what the requirements are for our courses. Like I said, digital marketing also, social media marketing. We do a lot online marketing. We have courses. So and we have 1 day 2-hour courses, foreign lecture clinic, 500 rupees. So they do about your goals and objectives, vision board when you go abroad. Our time management when you go to these countries, Canada or Neva, you will be extremely well manage your time. Emotional intelligence, so so 500 rupee short courses. If you are interested, you can book the Lakshan. Then a traineeship, because before you go to any country or attend isalla, මම ළමයින්ට කියන්නේ පොඩි traineeship එකකට යන්න පඩි නැතුවත් හරි කමන්නේ. යන්න නැත්නම් නිකම්ම කඩාගෙන යන්න එපා. තව certificate අපේ certificate අස්සන් දුවන්න එපා. රටවල් වලට. පොඩි සුමාන්ට සැරයක් හරි කමන්නේ මේ තැන්වල විතර වැඩ කරන්න. So මේගොල්ලන්ගේ අපි agreement තියෙනවා. ලක්ෂාන් කතා කරන්නේ. අපි කියන තැන්වල traineeship ගන්න. Gulf. In the Middle East, you can see barista 3,000 dirham. So you can see that's about 1,50,000 junior barista month, 1,50,000 rupees a month. Then Saudi Arabia 70,800 barista. So even in the Gulf, you have, and they're giving the air ticket, accommodation, transport, food, medical, accommodation. So not bad. Me. So when the maybe our certificates, basic just only ACTH you can see, but this is a stepping stone for the advanced. If you don't have the right prerequisite, you can do the basic. And you can see here minimum import. Instead of hospitality, worldwide certifying body. TVEC Sri Lankan accredited. Tertiary Vocational Education Commission, and McGraw-Hill University USA. All these three partners come in and make your certificate very strong. Then these are the requirements I said. I'll tell you. O-level 5 passes. If you don't have 5 passes and you don't have English, there's an online English test that you can do. You can join, or you can do a basic course and then do the advanced. Same price with 35,000 when I spend there. We are doing the basic, and then we are going to the advanced. Then you can show us an English certificate from another institute. That also is okay. You can join our courses, or a hospitality industry certificate, or hospitality institute taking a certificate from another institute. That also is okay. You can join, or a letter from the employee in the hospitality industry that you are working. That also is sufficient for you to join our courses. If you are doing the basic, no entry requirement, no level monotony, you can join, start the basic, and then you can progress to the advanced training. Some rules for our trainees who join Zoom. Please make sure you come to all the lessons online. Otherwise, video recording, we will send you, we give you access to the video recording. You can pay by installments. I'll show you installment payment. You don't need to pay at once. Then you can online test. You have to register for the online test. And if you don't come, you have to pay, I think, 5,000 to re-register for the test. If you don't attend the test on the day online. Practicals, we have practicals for the food and beverage. If you don't attend, you have to pay, I think, 5,000 again to rebook another session. And all course fees are non-refundable. We don't give any money back. Lakshan Matthias is our admin office manager. You can contact him to register. And because you registered today, our course, I'll show you, you are getting a benefit. Because normally our course fees are 40,000. It's not this one, it's a Facebook. Let's go to this one. So 40,000, because you all joined today, your fees will drop down to open day promo rate 35,000 from your courses. Otherwise, it's 40,000 for students who don't go through the open day, they don't get the promo rate. So congratulations, you got 35,000, 5,000 off because you joined today. Next, my fees. I'll show you. My fees. This is how you pay. We'll send Lakshan, will send the link when you have to pay. Student name. I just put my name. Barista course, whatever course you're doing. The email address and the phone number, our office phone number. Then you click next, and then purpose of payment. I'll show you just in a few minutes. So we are paying for enrollment. Your student ID number, Lakshan will give you. Then re-enter the ID number. Invoice of no need invoice, and payment amount 10,000. And then you go finish. And then it will take you the payment information. You proceed to payment. I agree, you click, and we will proceed to payment after. Okay, then any card, the debit card, Visa card, any card they accept. So this is the best way to do because of COVID. From home, from your phone, you can make the payment. Next, payment, I'll show you the options. We have, let me go to payment options. Get me at the end, guys. So if it cuts out, we can just stop, don't worry. Yeah. So payment options will go, you have two